Hey, this is Wesley with MillRight CNC. Today we're going to show you how to set up the Vectric software with our machine profiles. This process should start automatically the first time you open up your software. So you can just follow along, or you can go to Machine and Machine Configuration to bring up the window. Now it is going to already be populated with some default settings. This one's the desktop one. You can see that it's just a generic manufacturer. So you can click here to add another generic machine profile, or you can come over to the cloud with the arrow and search online for our machines. It'll take just a second and it'll pop up this menu. So we're going to come down to MillRight in the Manufacturer tab. In the Series tab, we have Carve King 2, Carve King 2 Mini, the Mega V, and the Power Route. For this example, we're going to go with the Mega V for the series. For the model, we have Plasma, Standard, XL, and Double XL. We're going to go ahead and choose the Double XL. Configuration. Default is your standard 3-axis machine. We have also a rotary here for the Mega V and the Power Route. You can select default, you can select rotary, you can select them both, which is what we're going to do. We're going to hit download. It's going to take a second and give us some notification here, and you can see that we have in our machine profile, we have Mega V Double XL default. Down here, we have the Gerbil inches and Gerbil millimeters post-processor that you will use with our machines. But we also have the rotary profile, which the post-processors for this machine is going to be G-code wrap 2A in inches and in millimeters. We're going to hit OK. And now, when you go to save a toolpath, you can change your machine profile in the machine drop-down tab, and the appropriate post-processors will be populated in the post-processor drop-down tab. Select the one you want and save your toolpath. If you have any questions about the process, you can email us at support@millrightcnc.com. We appreciate you being here today to watch the video. Thank you and goodbye.